Good morning teachers, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple but very useful technique on how to collect learners database from the students via Google Sheet. Okay, so meaning after creating a worksheet, you're going to upload this one on Google and share the link to the teachers so that they can input data from the field names you have created from your database. Okay, so for instance, so that you can collect, or you can access electronically via Google Sheet. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you can actually create a worksheet in Microsoft Excel like this. Okay, so after creating a worksheet, you are going to upload this one on your Google Drive, and then it will be already recognized as Google Sheet. So this time I'm going to show you how to share a link that everybody can access, or you can also put restrictions for security on your database. Okay, so you make sure that your worksheet is already set up for printing, so that you will not be able to adjust again every worksheet you are going to print. So for instance, this one I have already set this one to 2 pages A4 paper. Okay, so after you set your worksheet, you can now create multiple copies of this for every section you're going to let the advisor fill this up. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to click normal. Okay, so for example, you have already set this one. You can copy and paste everything on this worksheet with the same format. You can simply point at the sheet here at the bottom. You can right click this one, and then you can click copy or move or copy. Click this one, and then you select move to end, meaning it will create a copy. You click this one to create a copy, and then it will copy to the next first worksheet. So if you click OK, so you have already 2 worksheets. Okay, so for example, this one you are going to rename so that the advisors can recognize where to input their students data. So okay, right click and rename. For example, you want here, you type 7 honesty. Okay, so for your second worksheet, you want here also grade 7, you just simply rename, right click and rename. You type 7, for example, courtesy. Okay, so the same thing you're going to do, you just simply right click on the worksheet and click move or copy. Click this one, you make sure you check the create copy so that it will make another copy of the same worksheet with the same settings and all of the settings in the rows and columns. Okay, so click move to end. So if you want to create the copy to the end of the worksheet, okay, so click OK. So you have already another worksheet with the same content. So you right click, you rename again, for example, 7 loyalty. Okay, so that's how to make a multiple copies of every worksheet you're going to let the advisors fill with these field names, given field names. Okay, so for example, for grade 8, you can do the same. You right click, and then you click create move for copy, and then move to end, and the same, create a copy, and then OK, and then simply rename. Then for example 8 Dove. Okay, you do the same with grade 9, grade 10, and so on. Okay, so when you save this one, save. Okay, so you have already the worksheet. This time, if you want to put this one on Google so that they can access it electronically, and then they can fill this up online. Okay, so you make sure you have saved this one. Okay, so then you click the close. This time you open your Google. I have already opened my Google account in Gmail for security. So this time you are going to click this one, Google Apps, this dotted icon, Google application. So meaning these are specific applications created by Google that performs a specific task. Okay, so we are going to use this one since we are actually created the Google sheet, or I mean the worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So we are going to upload it on Drive, on Google Drive. Okay, so actually you can create using this one, these sheets. So meaning this is only also looks like Microsoft Excel, the same worksheets. Okay, so meaning you are going to create directly online. So if you choose this one, okay, so there are actually two ways. But if you are going to create the worksheet online, so there are actually many features in Microsoft Excel that is not present in Google Sheet. Okay, so for example, you upload it on your Google Drive. Here, you click the drive. Okay, so here on your drive, my drive, you click this one, and then upload file. So file only because you have one workbook. File upload. Okay, and then you browse where you save that worksheet. So I have save it on my downloads folder. This one, click this one, select, and then you can click open. Okay, so starting to upload. Okay, so this time you can see that there is also a prompt that you have already finished downloaded that learners database vaccination. So it is already on your Google Drive. Okay, so to let the advisors or anybody access your template, so you browse here, you browse the file. Okay, here. Okay, so to share this one to the teachers, you can right click here and then you click share. Okay, so when you share this one, this will automatically recognize as Google Sheet. Okay, so you can add people here to access their email ads here. Okay, so we have here at the bottom restrictions, restricted. Okay, so you click this one. Okay, so for example, if you are going to make this one, make restrictions for this, okay, you just simply type the persons or their Gmail here, or the people you want to access this worksheet for security. Okay, so if you want anyone with the link, so anyone with the link can access this worksheet, you choose this one, click here. So meaning anyone with the link and edit can view this worksheet. So these are the rules. Okay, so when you click this one, they can only, anyone with the link can view or viewer. So if you want them to edit the worksheet, you click here and then you choose editor. So anybody with the link can edit now, so they can actually input data from your worksheet. Okay, so this time you can click copy without clicking the done. You can click copy the link, copy this link, and then you, for example, open your FB or you share the link. It is already copied on the clipboard. Okay, okay, so this time you search for group name, your group or GC you are going to share is link. Okay, for example, I want only to share to my account. Okay, so here, okay, so just simply right click here, since it is already copied on the clipboard, right click and then paste. So it's already, when you click send, okay, so you can already access if this link has shared to the group. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to open this one, open the link. Okay, so here is already your, you can already access this worksheet online. Okay, look, so from Microsoft Excel to Google Sheet, numbers has been removed. So you simply edit or write numbers here because it has been, after uploading, the numbers has been removed by uploading to Google Sheet. Okay, so you can download this worksheet. If you're going to have hard copy for this, for printing, just simply can download by simply clicking the file and then click download and then click the Microsoft Excel download. So when you click this one, you can see it will be downloaded to your computer here. So if they are already done entering the data, you can actually have your backup copy, just simply download or thing for your hard copy. Okay, so for example, you forgot one section here, you can actually create here, simply right click, then here in Google Sheet the word is duplicate, so you can duplicate. For instance, you click okay, so you have already the duplicate copy, and then you can rename. If for instance you lock one section, okay, so for instance 8. Okay, so that's how to add worksheet on Google. Okay, so if you find this video helpful to you, please consider subscribing in appreciation and the like button. Thank you so much for watching.